Now I turn my attention to the youths. The youths are the engine of any nation. They are the driving force of any economy. And one advantage that Africa has is the fact that it has the youngest and largest population of young people in the world. Africa has more than 900 million youths under the age of 25. That is over 60% of its entire population. That's a profound strength unmatched anywhere else in the world. To solve our food problem, we need the youth. We need to deploy both our physical and mental energy to solving this problem. Youths are known to be vibrant, active, and energetic people. They have the strength. They have the time. Now we need the will to solve our food problem. This is important because so many youths are now distracted. They are chasing many get-rich-quick schemes that could jeopardize their future. But we need to solve our primary issues first. We don't put the cart before the horse. We need to solve our food problem. This is not just about money. We know money is important, but how can you get food when you don't produce it and when what you depend on are foreign processed foods? That will drain your economy and harm your health. We need to solve our food problem. Everyone is hungry and angry. We must commit to bringing the change we need in our society. We know our adults have done their part, but we must take responsibility because the future depends on us, not on those before us. If we don't do anything, no future will be prepared for us. We must engage all the power and resources we have at our disposal to effect this change. We need knowledge, first of all, as young people to navigate life. Instead of just looking for money and thinking that all our problems are tied to money, we should focus on solving our major problems. Every young person must understand that money is like a gun. You need skill to use it. Otherwise, it will destroy you. But many youths will not understand that. And with all the social media hype and madness going on in the world, things have become so complicated. As youths in Africa, we have to solve our food problem. Imagine our numbers. If only half of us would put seeds in the ground, how much harvest are we looking at? We must prioritize farming and reorient ourselves to see it as a noble and essential profession. Farming is not for the poor or the jobless. In Europe and Asia, many young people are millionaire farmers. It is a path to food security and economic growth. In Africa, we must recognize farming as a life skill. Without addressing food security, other problems cannot be solved. There is a saying in my language, hunger cannot enter the stomach and words enter too. No, the two cannot enter at the same time. That means hunger makes it impossible to focus on anything else. And that's absolutely true. See what a lot of our young people are doing today because of hunger. I wonder, why are we not taking this seriously? Why are we still wandering the streets, seeking jobs, when food production offers immense opportunities for us? Solving our food problem, I believe, will address most of our problems. It will provide sustenance, create jobs, and enable us to plan for a better future. Hunger undermines our ability to think about tomorrow and drives many of us into criminal activities, including cybercrimes, political manipulation, and human trafficking. Our youthful strength and population must become assets, not liabilities. It's time for change. Let's refuse to be used as tools for negative purposes. Instead, let's focus on securing our future and addressing our food challenges. I know many of us have been frustrated and fed up with bad governance and a struggling economy that we have in most of our African countries. But we cannot give up now. Let's do our part to effect change. The actions we take today will shape our future. Finally, I would just love for every youth to do one thing: put seeds in the ground. That's all we need to do now. I see a future with healthy and wealthy individuals who will overcome every limitation and create prosperity for their African nations. God bless you. Cheers. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.getbooks on Amazon. Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sapiensofgmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 3. The perfect gift for Christmas. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here.